In this video, I'll show you how you can download Essential mod in Minecraft. Now this is really easy, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is head over to essential.gg, press download. When it comes up here, just wait for the installer to be done and press on it. Simply press yes when it comes up with the notification. And then what you want to do is make sure you close down Minecraft, try again. And then what you can do is you can create a new profile, or if you already had it before, you can use an existing one. So I'm just going to create a new one. In here you can see the version and everything in here. You can give it your name and simply press create. Now after you've done that, you can simply just press launch and you'll see it opens up from your Minecraft. Now when you open up your Minecraft, and you'll see here on your different releases, you have the Fabric Essential one here. Simply just press play on this one and it will function perfectly. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.